Hey guys, good day to you. Hey, have you guys been wanting to create some AI videos and maybe you don't have enough content and you want to do it for your business and you don't want it to take 4 hours? All right, so I've been messing with Sora and I also use a couple different apps to create this. But I'll just go ahead and show you kind of one of the videos that I just created using Sora and a few other apps, and I'll go through the whole process and I'll just teach you how I do it. This is how I do it. I'm sure there's many different ways to do it, but this is what's working really well now. And so I'll just show you the video, and then I'll go through the whole process, and I'll tell you all the apps to use. And this is also me just documenting the process of doing this, and like trying to learn and get better from it. If you guys have any tips or tricks out there too, be more than happy to hear what you got. So here we go.
Let's be real. Every day your car sits in this Louisiana heat. The sun is destroying your paint. UV, humidity, brutal southern weather. It's cooking your clear coat and breaking it down fast. Those swirls and dull spots? That's your paint giving up. And fixing it later? That's thousands. Gone. Ceramic coating isn't for looks. It's armor. It keeps your car looking new while everyone else's fades and chalks out. You spent real money on your vehicle. Protect it. Do it now, not when it's too late. Click Get Quote now and protect your investment before the sun wins.
All right, so that's it. It's pretty good. Again, it's not perfect. I know it looks kind of like me in there. It's not me. I've never been there. And again, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good considering like if you had to create all this content on your own, it would be very hard to do. It's also like an 8K shot and stuff like that, so it's kind of cool. And the other reason it works is like there's an angle of the way that the voiceover is going at it, or the angle of the ad, and it's also a problem solution thing. So the solution is the ceramic coating, and these are all the problems that it fixes, right? And so this works for in any industry, for any service-based business works the best. Whether it be like pressure washing, you're a plumber, or whatever, you could always create this in here using the same process that I'm about to show you how to do, right? And so there, again, let's just go over the apps that I use. Let me go back home here. So that was a Sora app. So I use ChatGPT to get started to write the Facebook ad script. I write the script first. The reason being is because I want it to be a certain length, and sometimes I tell it to be a certain length. So I'm going to go through this with you real quick, kind of how I started this. So I told it to write a 30 script Facebook ad, making a different angle than the one before. The reason why I just wanted a different angle because the angle that I had before was, the benefits about ceramic coating. So it wrote this, and see how it wrote like the scenes in there? Well, I can't just copy and paste that. So later on, I asked it to put it together. And then I'm going to go into 11 Labs and do that. So again, let's recap the 4 apps real quick to go over that. ChatGPT, I use a paid version. It's $20 a month. Sora is connected to that. I believe if you don't pay for that $20 a month, you can't get Sora or you can't use it for at least for the time that I'm doing this video. You can't. Then I use 11 Labs for the voiceover. You don't have to use 11 Labs, but it is pretty much free. You could use your own voice, but then it's another pain that you would have to write this. It creates everything in there. And then to put everything together, I use CapCut. So it looks like this little guy right here. And so that's the editing software. So at the end, so that was a video I just showed you. At the end, I put in some background music. I put in my voiceover prompt, download file from 11 Labs. And then this is the scene that I got from Sora, right? And I'll go through all that real quick. And then I get some text overlays and then my logo on here as well. All right, so the first thing you do is you're going to write the ad script, right? And then I'm going to tell it to put it all together for me so I can just copy and paste it in there. I also asked it to give me 10 different angles. So what's another angle or hook that works well for ceramic coating? So you could use this question. I picked weather, southern heat, UV angle, as you can see right here. And then it wrote me the script. Now again, I can't just copy and paste this script in there because then it would just be saying those words for 11 Labs. And so what I want to do is I want to get the one I want. So it did send it to me later on because I told it to put it together. Here it is right here. Nope, that's the Sora prompt. Right here. Voiceover script, Louisiana doesn't play. All right, so I did that, but this one was way too long, right? So let me just, I'll do it again for you real quick. So let's go into 11 Labs, and 11 Labs is free until you get to a certain point. And then I pasted it in here, right? But it's, if I were to generate it, it would be like a minute long. And then I'm like, it's too long. I don't want that many scenes in there. And so I asked it to rewrite it for me again, but more aggressive, make it shorter, and boom, I did this, and then boom, and then it came down to like 40 seconds down here, right? And so it's like 40 seconds, okay, that's good. And then I just hit generate speech, and then it generates it, then you pick which one or the other. You can hit your download button there, and then name it to wherever folder, if you want to keep it on your desktop. Boom, you got the voiceover, right? Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this script here, and you're going to say, okay, write me 4 Sora prompts, or a prompt for Sora, but split it up into 4 different scenes. The reason why is because each scene is going to be 8 seconds, and I want it to create those 4 different scenes based on that prompt, and it's going to be, so 8 seconds times 4 is 32. So it's going to be about the same length, right? And so that's kind of how you match up the length to the actual prompts in there. And then what I'm going to do is, since I'm on my computer, I'm going to go to, I mean, obviously I'm using an iMac. You could do this too from your phone, the ChatGPT and Sora together, but you're just kind of going back and forth, which I'm going to go back and forth on here. But the 11 Labs I did on my desktop, I think they have an app for it. You could do probably all this on your phone, and I know CapCut too you can use on your phone, but I feel like on the desktop I can edit it better, and I just like it's bigger, so I just like editing everything on my desktop as well. It's just easier. And again, you don't have to do this whole process. You could literally just type in ChatGPT, give it the Sora prompts, and then run that because it does do voiceovers in the background, but it's just kind of wonky, so you have more control over it. And again, on the Sora, it's like you're going to have a limited number of videos you can use. I think I made like 8 or 10 videos the first day, which is plenty. The drafts don't count into 4 different scenes. So once you splice those together, which we're going to cover here in a minute, that's one video basically, right? All right. So what I would do is I would go into chat. I'm going to go and get my prompts one at a time. And again, there's a prompt that I told it to always be in here. It's right here. It says ultra realistic. So I'll put this in the video down below. And then later on, I said, every time I write a Sora prompt, I want you to add this in here. So also, anytime I ask you for a Sora prompt, add this code in there. And it started doing it for me, right? And so this was it. And so I just copied that whole thing. So I would go back and forth with the prompts, right? So I would just copy this, right? And then I'm going to go back to Sora. I'm going to do it 4 different times. So let's walk through the Sora app too real quick. So if you've never...
The factory car detailing.
Let's see, that's an AI video. If you've never been on here, when the first thing you do once you sign in, I name kind of like my username, and then on here this is going to be blank, the cameo, because if you don't want yourself in there, then it doesn't matter, but it could put some random people in there. So I select myself, my username is Ceramic Encodings, and then I would paste that prompt in there, and I would just do it for the 4 different prompts going back and forth. Now you can only do up to 3 drafts at a time, so once it creates that draft, I'll just go ahead and I'll send that one.
This is what I do. Best service.
And then right here, if you click on the little guy, it's creating that draft. Now, obviously, I have a bunch of drafts in here, and it created that draft earlier. And if I play this, it's not going to play because I don't know why it doesn't let me record it on here. I think because it doesn't have that Sora logo on there. I don't remember. Oh, it's playing now. Okay. I couldn't remember. Anyway, that was a shot that I just told it to do. So what you're going to do is once you get the 4 drafts together, you're going to hit select, and you're going to select these in order that you want them in order. So preview each one. Be like, okay, I want this one to be the first one. I want that to be the second one, to be the third or fourth. Just remember, if you created these prompts in order, so like that was your first prompt, that was your second prompt, that was your third prompt, that was your fourth prompt, and then you would hit stitch, it would make them stitch them together as one video in that order, right? So, but if you're going back and you're deleting a draft because you didn't like it, because sometimes it does some weird things, that's why you always preview them together and stitch it together. And then once it's stitched, I'm not going to stitch them. It's going to be like that's your video right there. And then from the first to the second to the third, to the last one and so on. And then that's it, right? And then so once I get that video, I basically download the file. Don't worry about the link because the link doesn't do anything but go to Sora app. So I download that. It's going to be in my photos. I just text it back to myself because obviously I'm going back to CapCut to edit everything. And that's it for the Sora thing. So from chat to 11 Labs for the voiceover, you're getting that file to download that to the same folder on my desktop. Then I go back in, create the 4 different prompts, create the 4 drafts in Sora of the 4 different scenes. Then I stitch them together. Then I'm going to download. Then I'm going to download this to my phone. Then I text that file or that video to myself. And then the fun part is in CapCut, you're going to put your files in here. I put my logo in here. I'm not going to go through everything of how I edit this because it gets a little hairy sometimes. But if you want like background music, that's on here for the audio. You just I typed in a cinematic teaser for the front, some vibes for the back ends, right? And the other thing I do too, just to give you a quick little tip, is when you upload this scene in here from Sora, that video, it's going to have this like this background music, and so I just kind of turn it down a little bit. You could just turn it off or you could just delete it, but some of the stuff I like in there, like when it's going, the polishing, I could hear the polisher or I could hear them spraying the foam or the water on there. So sometimes I kind of like it in the background. And then I just added this text overlay here, and then I just added the price. The reason I add the price, it qualifies them. Again, this qualifier right here too is like if your car is newer than 2 years old, watch this. I'm qualifying from the beginning. Like I want to work on new cars and not everything that's like scratched up or whatever. And then the price obviously qualifies them. Starting at price, that means it's just a brand new car that's 2 years or less newer, and that for my introductory package, that's 3 years ceramic coating. And then the price just goes up from there. So I just qualify them with that. And that works the best, man. So this is like one of the best, easiest things. This whole process from start to finish, the first time you do it, might take you 40 minutes. But now it takes me like 15 minutes because you got your whole process dialed in. And that's it. So just to recap, let me go back home here. You got ChatGPT. You're going to make the angle of the voiceover of how you want it to be, shorten that down, go plug it into 11 Labs, right? Get that time down as, around 30 seconds works the best that I've found. And so you just run different angles as you're doing this too. You can do different voiceovers and stuff too. Then download that file. You're going to go back in here, ask ChatGPT for the prompt based on this voiceover script. And then you're going to get the 4 different prompts. You're going to put it into Sora, draft those prompts, all those prompts together in drafts, preview those, and then...
Sun's cooking the paint right off her. Look at those little cracks. Need to get ahead of it before the heat takes more. Feels like the whole street's holding its breath.
Yeah, so it's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Anyway, so you're going to get those 4 things. You're going to select them. You're going to put them in order that you want. You're going to stitch it together. And you're going to go back to your actual videos. So these are your videos here. And then you're going to download that file. And then I just texted it to myself. So I have the video. And then you're going to use CapCut to edit everything. So pretty simple. Again, if you've never used the a Sora app, I would just set that up with the Cameo, and then just be cognizant of the videos, like how many you're doing a day. I think that usage, I think I'm out of videos right now, but it says it sets today, but it hasn't reset yet. So I don't know what the deal is with that. But you could add more. I think it's like $4. Yeah, $4 for 10 more videos or whatever, and that's it. So pretty simple to go through there, create your own videos for your business, or do it for somebody else that doesn't have content. It's really a game changer. And again, it's not perfect. I just started using this a couple days ago, like 3 or 4 days ago, and so I just want to make a video, document the process, show you guys how that we do it. And if you need help, reach out. If I missed anything in this video, just let me know if you got any questions or anything else, and then hopefully this works well for you and your business. All right, thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day.